Coalition for Human Rights and Social Justice has called on the Chief Justice of the Federation, Tanko Mohammed, and the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, to institute an accelerated hearing at the Supreme Court to grant justice to 88-years-old BC Bolade, whose land was forcefully taken away from her by some faceless elements. Through a statement by the secretary of the group, Comrade Enya Peters, it has become expedient to interfere since the matter is now in the court of public opinion and it can degenerate into coerce. In earlier times, the said land had been trespassed by some members of Kuyesi Awushi family in 1991, but fortunately redeemed by Madam BC after a court hearing. Following the winning at the court, Mrs. BC registered the conveyance with the Registrar of Deeds at the Land Registry in Lagos, signed on 12th March 1992. Afterwards, she rented it out to some mechanics to use as workshop. This was followed by a series of attempts by some members of the earlier stated Kuyesi Awushi family emerged seeking to acquire the land in exchange for an order. Different tactics were used to seize on the land. One among many was also the use of the then district head of Onigbongbo in 2004. All this paved way for Madam BC to report the issue to the security agencies, and afterwards, series of threats were meted on her.
No sílẹ̀ ní rẹ̀ pé wọ́n ti ìkọ́lé ń gbà yẹn o. No sílẹ̀ ni wọ́n já gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣá. Ńgbà tán já gbogbo ẹ̀, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ilé ní kíkọ́ láti bí ọdún méje mẹ́jọ mẹ́wàá ní ìsìn. Méjì ni o, ìkejì wọ́n kọ́ ọgbà wà nínú ẹ̀ tí mo ti ṣe sí. Ọgbà tí mo ti á ṣe sí ẹ̀ wọ́n á extend ẹ̀ pé wọ́n tún join ẹ̀ mọ́ because it's a two plot, it's not one. Ó wà nínú plan kìíní mi. Jálẹ̀kùn lé mi. Ńgbà tán jálẹ̀kùn lé mi náà kó gbogbo documents ilé mi. Àwọn tán gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù lọ́wọ́ mi àtàwọn ọmọ onígbòǹgbò yẹn wọ́n jọ force ara wọn jálẹ̀kùn lé mi. Tán kó gbogbo documents mi. Tán kó gbogbo nǹkan mi, tán lù mí, tán fẹ́ pa mí. Tí mo wá lọ sí police station, mo wá lọ fẹjọ́ wọn sùn.
All efforts calling the attention of the police again didn't yield any fruit as the trespass still continued. With the clear evidences of documents brought forth by Madam BC and the initial court registry, there is no doubt or iota of doubtness that she's only a victim whose fundamental right has been trampled on. The coalition hereby seeks for justice for her as she is old and has no one to fight her case.
It is clear that Madam BC's right has been trampled upon, owing to the oppression and the series of death threats upon her lives, which remains a fundamental right. She is now very old and has no one to fight her case, living like a refugee in Lagos. On account of Madam BC's age, we wish to call on all those concerned, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, the Attorney General, and the international community to push for an accelerated hearing on the matter in the Supreme Court, where there is a motion has been filed in the nefarious hope that she would not be alive to see the same conclusion. The matter as it is no longer a personal issue, as it borders around the inherence to the rule of law and the courts of the public opinion and a call to sanitize the judiciary system.
Zainab Ahmed, Voicetv, Nigeria.